This video tutorial I will cover how to inject the map which is having a dependent object using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined the class fruit. It has two properties, name and color, and it has a fruit constructor which accept name and color, and I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and map of available fruits. And map key is integer and value is fruit. And fruit is the dependent object. And it has a fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and map of available fruits. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is the Spring configuration file. Here we have specified using constructor dependency injection, fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object should be created by Spring container, and fruit1 object name should be apple and color should be red. Fruit2 object name should be grapes and color should be violet. Fruit shop object shop name should be fruit mart, and map of available fruit should contains two key value pairs. First key value pair key is 1 and value is fruit1, and second key value pair key is 2 and value is fruit2. Map element is used to define the map, and entry element is used to define key and value information. Type attributes specify string and map. So in this example, this constructor which accept string and map. So this constructor will be called by Spring container, and it will set shop name and map of available fruits. What object to instantiate, what object to configure, and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example, we have specified fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using constructor dependency injection. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates a fruit shop object and configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app, and here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. These constructors are called by Spring container, and fruit shop name is set as fruit mart, and map of available fruits contains two key value pairs.